Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to generate a horizontal list using AI in Google Sheets. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Launch. To generate a horizontal list, we will use the GPT-List function. First, click on the cell where you want it to appear. For this example, let us generate a list of 5 best cars. To do that, let's type this formula. GPT_H list, open round bracket, double quotation marks, then type list 5 best cars, double quotation marks, then close round bracket. Press enter and after a few moments, the extension will generate a horizontal list. Each item will appear in its own column across the same row starting from the cell you selected. So, that is how you generate a horizontal list using AI in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.